Now let us introduce how to operate the high voltage tracking tester. First, look at the operation panel. This is the AC voltage. This is the DC voltage. There are 5 group AC current and 5 group DC current. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the printer. This is the PLC touchscreen controller. This is the emergency stop switch. If have any dangerous happened, press emergency stop switch. The machine will stop. This is the power. Let us see the operation panel instruction. There are 5 pieces specimen. Specimen 1, specimen 2, specimen 3, specimen 4, specimen 5. This is the 5 pieces specimen switch. If you turn off the dropping liquid for specimen, this specimen 1 will not work. Turn off the specimen dropping liquid 2. The specimen 2 will not work. The same as 3, 4, 5. This is the alarm. Nowadays, the door is opened. If we close the door, the alarm will be stopped. Press the emergency stop switch. We have alarm. If press remove, the alarm will be disappeared. This is the test parameter. Now it's stopped. It's running. This is the voltage run. Now it's the AC test. This is the flow indication. We set the flow rate is 0.6 milliliter per minute. Let's see the set interface. This is the time. The time is minute. 5 specimen test the time. This is the flow rate set. We can change 0.9 or 0.3. This is the flow rate calibration. We have calibrated before shipping. This is AC, DC converted. You can press and will convert to DC. 5 group of DC voltmeter and DC ammeter corresponding counter table. This is time clear. If I have done one test, let's see it. Now the test time is 6 minutes. Let's press the time clear. The time will be cleared. This is the test report. After the test, we can see the test report. We can select the test method, select the voltage type, input specimen angle. Generally speaking, we use 45 degrees. We can input the sample size. Thickness is 6 mm. Here is the test grading. You can select the test grading. After select, then print. Press print. The machine will print the test report. It can print the report now. Return button means to return to main interface and see 5 group test. Now, let's do test. We press run button and return to AC. Click run and adjust the voltage to 4.5 kV. Our flow rate set is 0.6 milliliter per minute. Then click run. You will see the machine's pump will be run. Wait a moment. The sample will be filled and will show here. If any group exceeds 16 mA and keep 2 seconds, the machine will be alarmed. Now, the fifth group is our current. The fifth voltage and current will be stopped, and the dropping liquid will be stopped too. Then, we click Alarm Reset, and the alarm will be removed. This is the test. We explain how to use this tester. Let's see the machine. Specimen have been installed. Let's introduce how to install the specimen. The sample is fixed to the sample holder with screw. Let's install one sample to show you. This is filter paper. This is the pole, upper pole and down pole. After fix the sample, then click pull to the sample holder, then tighten screw. There are 5 group dripping pump. This pump will be run correctly without any fault before the test. Needed add liquid. There is a liquid bath in the side of the door. We can add the liquid through this liquid bath. This is the liquid. Now we add the liquid. Then close the cover of liquid bath and touch the button. Then put the pipe insert into the liquid bath. Close the door. Now we have finished installing the test sample. Now we install the alarm net. We have configured one alarm. The alarm top is dismantled during the shipping. The top of the tester has 3 screw holes. Please take these 3 screws down and insert into these 3 holes. Then open another side door. Screw the screws under the side door. We have finished install alarm. The next step is calibrate the machine. The power has 3 holes. We insert the plug. Then this is the S wire. This is the 220 volts 5 wire. Insert into the socket. That's all. Thank you.